Hey, welcome to Bargain Bikes. We have a good one for you today. We have a Rampar for $14.99. 10-speed men's bicycle. This one looks like a pretty old bike, kind of like an old Schwinn. It does have like Suncor, derailleur. Most of everything is Suncor. The chain is a little loose, but we'll see if we can get this chain on here in a second. The pedals look good. The crank's nice. Like the pedals. Everything seems to be nice and put together. Looks like an estate tag there. So must have been from an estate sale or something. I have no idea. And then maybe somebody donated it. But the seat looks good and everything looks well taken care of. Go ahead and peel this tag here. I think it's something we want to take anytime we see that the gears and everything are intact. That's what we want. This is an R1 Rampar, so probably from like the 60s or 70s. The front forks look real nice. Everything seems solid. The front gooseneck's tight. It's been wrapped real nice. For $15, for it to have its serial number and everything looking in order with the reflectors and the braking, and doesn't look like anything's been replaced in terms of just random parts. I like everything kind of looking original when it comes to this stuff. It looks like a solid bike. I like the drink holder. Somebody once cared about this bike. It looks like it doesn't look like it has bent rims or anything. It's pretty solid bike overall. I'm not familiar with this brand, but the chain's going to kick back on here real quick, and we'll get our fingers dirty and say we did something today. This particular bike here is, something that somebody could pick up for $15 and, pretty much put some air in the tires and have a quick flip. If that's what you're doing, if you're looking to buy and sell stuff, this is a great candidate for a buy low, sell high opportunity. I just like looking over the bike and making sure everything is here. Love how everything has a name brand on it. They just don't make bikes like that today. Here's the front of it. Looks nice. Name brand. Love it all. I love when it says everything. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, please let me know. Or if you have any questions, put it in the question box and we can, try to answer any questions you might have. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Until next time, thank you.